Stop! Before you buy more laundry detergent, say no to wasteful plastic laundry jugs. Why? In North America alone, over 700 million laundry jugs per year find their way into landfills. Yes, laundry jugs may be recyclable, but only 1 in 5 actually get recycled as intended. It's time to meet the new zero waste laundry detergent upgrade. Tru Earth Laundry Strips are a revolutionary zero waste laundry detergent in a pre-measured strip form. No measuring, no mess, no waste. Just clean laundry. Click the link to try Tru Earth today. Customers are loving Tru Earth. In fact, Tru Earth has more than 1,000 5-star reviews. But Tru Earth is more than just a zero waste laundry detergent. It's a true laundry detergent upgrade. Besides coming in a compostable cardboard package, Tru Earth Laundry Strips also frees up your cupboard space. Tru Earth Laundry Strips are pre-measured so you never spill laundry detergent again. Using Tru Earth means no more messy blue residue in your cupboards. Tru Earth works in both high efficiency and standard washing machines. Tru Earth fully dissolves in both cold and warm water. And unlike laundry pods, your children won't mistake Tru Earth for candy. Did I mention it is